Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A06. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Samsung Galaxy A06 and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Samsung Galaxy A06 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find here something say wallpaper and style. After click over wallpaper and style, you will see skin appear just like this. You need to click here change wallpaper. From here, there is a bunch of wallpaper pre-loaded by Samsung. You can easily choose any of them. Here, as you can see, some features, emails, some gallery, graphic, color, or wallpaper services. Anyway, I would like to choose this wallpaper. So this is the skin, how it's going to look like. So if you decide to change your wallpaper, so we need to uncheck this lock skin and just keep this home skin, and then I'm going to click here next. And now if I, and this is how it's going to be preview how your wallpaper going to be looks like. So I'm going to click here done, and now let me go back and see is it changed. And now you can see I successfully changed my phone wallpaper. You might be had a favorite picture and you want to set them. So for that you need to go again here in the settings section and then click here wallpaper and style, change wallpaper, and in this time we're going to click here gallery. And for example, I would like to choose this wallpaper, and then I'm going to click here done, and then we'll see a pop-up wallpaper. Do you like to set this wallpaper in your lock screen or home screen? So in this video purpose, I would like to set this picture on my home screen. So I will uncheck this lock screen, and then I'm going to click here next, and it's going to show me the preview how this wallpaper going to be looks like. I'm going to click here done, and now if I go back, we'll see my phone going to be appear new wallpaper. So it in this simple way you can easily change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A06. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.